Greetings everybody, and I am so excited to announce that today is the first episode of the new series, Conversation with the Youngest Professor. And so today, I am so lucky and so honored to be able to speak to legendary painter Noah Snow as our first guest.
Soborno Isaac and Noah Snow both are 9 years old and starred in Hollywood's Warner Brothers with Oscar-nominated Melissa McCarthy. Noah and Soborno were exposed to many branches of education, and they fell in love with drawing and mathematics, respectively. Today is the first episode of Conversation with Youngest Professor, in which Soborno interviews Noah.
I am so impressed and so lucky to be able to get this opportunity, and I thank not only you but your mother for accepting this opportunity. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, we will start off with first question about how you got into art. Well, I got into math because in 2013 my father was a part-time security guard and he was a part-time math student as well. And so he would be doing math on the blackboard and I would be watching it, so fascinated with all the mathematical equations and that trail of magic coming out of his talk. And so I wanted to ask you how you got into art. And who really inspired you? And what makes you so good at painting? Man, I want to know.
Well, a friend introduced Bob Ross to me. I liked it, and then I tried it a little bit. Then I found a private trainer and practiced every day at 6:15 before school.
Practice is very important. How long have you been painting? Now, it might seem like an obvious question from the intro, but...
I've been painting for 4.5 years.
Oh, wow. So, how much do you feel you have learned from back then to now?
Well, definitely a lot, since it was like, it looked kind of good, but like it didn't look nowhere. It looked nowhere near as good as this.
Yeah, to me it looks like kind of like a rainbow because of the order that you use the colors, and it looks so beautiful. You know those signatures that artists put on their works?
Well, whenever I sell paintings, because I do sell paintings on my Etsy page, I do sign my paintings.
You sell painting for... Okay.
I've sold over 50 paintings before.
Okay. What's your opinion about a banana duct taped to a wall? It sells for $250 million for it recently, and the internet is going crazy over it. Some are saying it's just a businessman trick, but others are saying that it's really good. Other works of art like this include putting duct tape around air and saying it was an invisible statue. So... yeah, what is your take on that?
I mean, I honestly don't think a banana duct taped to a wall can really be a sort of art.
Me neither, but it's actually a really funny story. You should search it up. Can you be gifted by nature, or does it take nurture? Does it take practice?
Well, it can be both, since my grandma is an artist, and that's where I actually, I got noticed from Bob Ross from a friend, but that's where I started actually liking art, but also you definitely do need practice.
Have you heard of, pastel or stuff like that?
Pastel?
Oh, yeah. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong.
Yeah, yes, I did for some time. I actually have chalk pastels and oil pastels that I used to just draw on paper with.
Huh. Okay, so was it a good experience?
Yes, but that was I do remember it, but barely. It was before I even started painting.
Oh. Okay.
Because I did it with my grandma came over, and she also recommended them, and we bought them, and we would draw with them.
Okay. And now I also wanted to ask you, have you ever tried other types of arts like pottery or clay or say, sculpting or maybe music? Have you tried other types of art?
Not really, but like I have done like clay, but that's only like once for like an art project in school.
Is clay fun to play with?
I did actually enjoy doing clay.
I need clay. Okay, or your role model was Bob Ross. So people like Pablo Picasso or Van Gogh.
Well, he was like, it's because of the type of building and the type of painting and how easy it is to explain and how easy he explains it and how like he said that anybody can paint.
How do I get better for at traditional painting? And do you have any advice for digital artists as well?
Well, not really for digital artists, well, I don't really have advice for digital artists, but we definitely just need to practice and keep doing it until you are actually satisfied with it, and then you can keep doing it and like printing it and hanging it up.
Great message. Anything you want to say to them?
I mean, you could try everything, and then if you like what you're doing, you could keep practicing, become really good on it.
I think that's very important, to expose your child to lots of things. If you have like social media or something that I can see your paintings on, so I can just fall over or get unstressed whenever I'm trying to do something hard or whenever I want to believe in myself as a painter.
Yes, you could follow me on Instagram at Noah the Child Painter. You're in fourth grade, right?
A bit, but I also go to 8th grade as well, so.
Yeah, I was about to say your fourth grade, math can be, you do math, you're in fourth grade, but you can do the math of high schoolers.
All right, thank you.
Conversation with Youngest Professor was sponsored by Brilliant.org.